Leap Fitness Workout Honest Review. Watch before using. The Leap Fitness Workout app is designed for those looking to exercise from home without needing any equipment. It offers a wide variety of bodyweight workouts, ranging from beginner to advanced levels, targeting specific areas like abs, legs, or full body routines. The app's standout feature is customizable workout plans, which can be adjusted based on your fitness goals, time availability, and skill level. You also get daily workout reminders to keep you consistent. The interface is user-friendly, with clear visuals and video demonstrations that guide you through each exercise, making it ideal for beginners who might need extra help with form. This app is perfect for anyone looking for structured workouts at home, whether you're just starting or want to maintain a fitness routine without the need for a gym membership. One of its strengths is the built-in tracking system, which helps you monitor your progress, calorie burn, and workout streaks, providing motivation to stay on track. Additionally, the app integrates well with Google Fit, syncing your workout data effortlessly for a seamless fitness journey. However, while the app provides a free version with basic features, many users will find the premium subscription necessary to unlock more advanced workouts and personalized plans. The premium content offers more variety, intensity levels, and detailed nutrition advice, which might be worth it if you're looking for a full fitness and diet solution in one app. In conclusion, Leap Fitness Workout is great for anyone needing a home workout app with customizable plans, clear instruction, and progress tracking. But if you want more advanced features or nutritional support, expect to pay for the premium version. For a free app, it offers solid features, but the upgrade is where it truly shines. Give it a try if you're ready to get fit at home without hassle.